Every twig and every leaf declare your glory. With each step that I take, I receive your power. The sunrays fighting through the mist. Now I know what it was I missed. Your tender voice that's calling me from all the sorrow sets me free. What awesome grace you gave to me. The wonders of your world I see. How can I thank you for your love? I know it can never be enough. Every raindrop, every airstream tells of your greatness. As I wander, I am drowning in your holiness. The dawn is falling on our land. I lay my life back in your hand. Your awesome voice sings me to sleep. I fall into your love so